Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the network and getting into the app. Open the Eero app and sign in with your account credentials. Once done, make sure your primary Eero shows online so changes can apply immediately. If you're already signed in, navigate straight to the home screen. Otherwise, complete sign-in with your email and password. This avoids mid-change errors and ensures settings you edit will push to all devices promptly. Next, you go into Eero's network settings to change the password. From the home screen, tap Settings or Network, then choose your Wi-Fi name or Advanced Wi-Fi settings. Once there, select Change Password and type a new secure password. Aim for at least 12 characters with mixed types. Make sure to note capitalization and special characters because Wi-Fi is case-sensitive. After entering the password twice to confirm, you're ready to save and push the update to your network. Finally, save the change and let Eero distribute the new password across the mesh. You'll see a progress indicator. Once complete, reconnect your phones, computers, and smart devices using the new credentials. If something goes wrong, like the app won't accept the password or devices can't reconnect, restart your Eero routers and your device, then try signing into the Eero app again. If you still can't access settings, use the account password reset flow or contact Eero support for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.